Embrace property management software. Managing multiple properties without the right tools is like navigating without a map. Property management software is the game changer you need to streamline your tasks and centralize all critical information. These platforms allow you to track rent payments, schedule maintenance, store tenant data, and even handle marketing for vacancies. With intuitive dashboards and automated reminders, property management software takes the guesswork out of your operations and frees up your time for other priorities. Using software tailored to property management keeps you organized and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Many programs also come with mobile apps, so you can manage your properties on the go. Imagine receiving notifications about overdue rent or upcoming inspections right on your phone. This real-time access to your portfolio ensures that you remain in control, no matter where you are. And when tax season arrives, these tools also help you generate reports, making financial management seamless. The beauty of these systems is their scalability. Whether you have 3 properties or 30, you can customize the software to match your needs. From small landlords to large-scale investors, the right digital tools eliminate unnecessary stress and improve operational efficiency. You'll find that investing in property management software is not just a cost, but a time-saving asset that allows you to focus on growth. If you've been struggling to juggle multiple spreadsheets or remember tenant requests, now is the time to upgrade your approach. Embrace technology to simplify your workload, reduce errors, and keep your properties running like a professional business. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it.